You could see the Mercier Bridge from here in LaSalle, all the way from Pointe-Claire, which is where I am right now. Just watching this monster storm cell to the south here of us. It's Sunday, June 9th, 2024. It's about 3:09 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. And indeed, this is Lac-Saint-Louis in front of us. Technically the St. Lawrence River. And there's the South Shore down there. And you can see where that precipitation, that rain begins. There's the boundary right there. I saw a couple of lightning strikes on the way over here. And you can see how choppy that water is. So, you know, I figured, why not come here and film this? I'm going to do a little walking video in a minute here, maybe around the Pointe-Claire village. You can see an old church here, and there's a windmill I want to go check out too in a minute. But yeah, pretty impressive. And if you look carefully, I'll zoom in for you guys. There's a wind farm down there. Those are wind turbines. I'll zoom in a little bit more here because see if we can get any lightning strikes. If it was nighttime right now, I'm sure we'd see that whole cloud illuminated with lightning strikes. May see the odd one here and there. And it's been a really interesting day weather-wise because, well, we have a mix of sun, cloud, rain, and thunder showers. You can see just by looking at the sky how unique it is. So, and you can even see, if you look carefully here, that's all precipitation falling on the water. See if we can zoom in more. So between here and the south shoreline there, that's precipitation. And then it's more inland over here. And there it's all clear. And we got some airplanes taking off here from Pierre Elliott Trudeau Airport. There's one right here. Alright, well, hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of nature. And I'm going to start my walking video here in the Pointe-Claire village. Oh, look at this. We're going to have some ducks down here. Yeah, man. Alright. More videos to come, guys.